Did you know nearly 95% of diets fail? But what if there's a simpler way? Many assume drastic measures are necessary for weight loss, often leading to disappointment. Today, we challenge this misconception and explore how small, sustainable changes can transform your journey. Let's uncover the surprising truth behind dieting success. Today, discover how to lose 50 pounds in just 5 months using simple foods. Imagine reaching your weight loss goals with easy dietary changes. This method is not only effective but sustainable, perfect for anyone aiming to transform their health journey. Let's explore this exciting and achievable approach together. Many find themselves trapped in a maze of confusing diet plans and misinformation. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by miracle diets promising quick results, which often prove impractical and frustrating. Another hurdle is time. Balancing work, family, and other commitments makes meal prep and exercise seem impossible. This leads many to resort to fast food or unhealthy snacks, sabotaging weight loss efforts. These challenges are common struggles faced by countless individuals. But understanding these obstacles is the first step in overcoming them. By addressing these issues head on, we can unravel the complexities of weight loss and find a path that is both achievable and sustainable. Stay with us as we explore how simple food choices can transform your diet and lifestyle. In the next segment, we'll reveal 5 easy-to-find foods that can help you shed pounds without stress. Let's take the confusion out of dieting and focus on realistic solutions that work. Navigating endless diet plans can be overwhelming, but what if the solution is as simple as incorporating the right foods into your meals? Today, we reveal 5 powerhouse foods to help you shed pounds and achieve your goals. First is the versatile avocado, rich in healthy fats and fiber, keeping you full longer. Next, almonds, ideal for snacking, offering a protein boost and hunger regulation. Then, spinach, a nutrient-dense green enhancing any dish while promoting satiety. Fourth, berries, packed with antioxidants and natural sweetness, make a delightful addition to your diet. Finally, oats, heart-healthy and stabilizing blood sugar levels. By including these foods in a balanced diet, you'll feel energized and see results. These simple changes can transform your weight loss journey into a sustainable lifestyle. Stay tuned as we reveal the most impactful food in our next segment, along with an inspiring personal success story that brings these concepts to life. As we reach the climax of our journey, one food emerges as a true game changer in weight loss. Among the 5 foods we've discussed, this gem proves most effective. It's time to highlight its remarkable power. Imagine transforming your diet with one small change. That's what happened for Sarah, a viewer like you. After years of struggling with her weight, she made this food a daily staple. The results were incredible. In just months, Sarah shed pounds effortlessly. Her energy soared, and she felt in control of her health. Her story shows how impactful this one food can be for sustainable weight loss. So, what's the secret? It's not about drastic diets or grueling workouts, it's about incorporating this powerhouse into your meals. As Sarah's experience shows, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Stay tuned as we recap these 5 transformative foods and explore how minor adjustments can lead to major results in our next segment. In conclusion, these 5 simple foods are your allies in the journey to weight loss. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes in your diet that lead to big, transformative results. Embrace this strategy for a healthier you and witness the power of mindful eating in achieving your goals. Let's make these changes happen together. We'd love to hear your weight loss stories. Comment below and explore more of our videos on healthy eating tips. Let's inspire each other to achieve our goals and make sustainable changes together. Remember, your journey can motivate others. Keep exploring, keep sharing, and keep transforming. Your next step awaits in our next video. See you there.